Hi guys, my name is Emily and today I'm going to show you how to make vanilla cupcakes. The process I'm going to talk you through today will make about 24 standard sized cupcakes. So the ingredients you'll need are 200 grams of chopped butter that you're then going to melt in the microwave, 1 3/4 cups of caster sugar, 4 eggs, 2 3/4 cups of self-raising flour, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For the frosting, I'm using Betty Crocker's Creamy Deluxe Vanilla Frosting. You can add food colouring to it if you wish, or leave it white. As well as your ingredients, you'll need 24 cupcake patty pans and a cupcake tray to help them hold their shape in the oven. You'll also need a cooling rack, a mixing bowl, and either a conventional or fan-forced oven. First things first, you want to set your oven to 180 degrees for a conventional oven or 160 degrees for a fan-forced like mine is. Place your patty pans in your tray and then you're ready to start mixing. First you want to add your dry ingredients, so your sifted self-raising flour with your caster sugar. You want to mix them together, and then once they're mixed you want to create a well in the centre, and that well is what you'll be pouring your wet ingredients into. Okay, now you're ready to pour in your wet ingredients. So first will be the melted butter. Next will be your cup of milk. Now that can either be full cream or light milk, whichever you prefer. And then your 4 eggs, so both the yolks and the whites. Finally, you've got your vanilla extract, so 2 teaspoons of that. If you're a fan of vanilla, you can put in 3. If you don't like it as much, you can put in 1. You can also substitute this with vanilla essence as well, which isn't as strong, so just make sure you use a little bit more of that. Combine all your ingredients using either a wooden or a metal spoon until it's a smooth consistency. And now you're ready to spoon it evenly into your prepared patty pans. After baking in the oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, there are a few ways to check if your cakes are ready to come out. First off, they should be a nice golden brown colour on top. Another way to check is with a wooden skewer. If you insert it and it comes out clean, then the cake should be ready. Another way to check is giving them a light touch in the middle. If they're fluffy and bouncy and don't sink at your touch, then you can take them out. So you want to leave your cakes to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. They've got to be completely 100% cool. They can't be hot at all because your icing or frosting will melt. So frosting and decorating really is the fun part. You can get creative and decorate however you'd like to. To spread the frosting, I'm just using a regular unserrated butter knife. Use as much or as little frosting as you like. It comes down to personal preference. In way of decorating, I'm using some edible confetti, sugar pearl balls, coloured chocolate drops, and pink sugar. If you want it to be a little more creative, you can add a few drops of food colouring to the frosting, or even to the cupcake mix itself. So there you have it, a brief tutorial on how to make vanilla cupcakes. I hope you found it informative and enjoy baking them for yourselves.